Welcome to this video on the cyber kill chain. We will explore how attackers move through structured stages and how defenders can stop them at every step. This framework is vital for blue team fundamentals and defensive security. Stage 1 is reconnaissance. Before any attack, adversaries gather intelligence, mapping the target. They collect employee and email names, public IP addresses, and information on technologies in use. Common sources include LinkedIn, company websites, DNS records, and internet scanning tools like Shodan. Stage 2 is weaponization. Attackers craft a malicious payload by combining an exploit with a delivery mechanism tailored to the target. Payloads include malware, ransomware, and weaponized documents. Delivery vehicles are often fake software installers, malicious websites, or phishing attachments. Attackers also use advanced evasion techniques like sandbox detection. Stage 3 is delivery. This is the bridge between preparation and execution, where the payload reaches the victim. Delivery methods include phishing emails, malicious links, compromised websites, infected USB drives, and fake software updates. Phishing remains the #1 delivery method, highlighting the risk of social engineering. Stage 4 is exploitation, where the attacker successfully triggers a vulnerability or executes malicious code, gaining an initial foothold. This can occur through software vulnerabilities in unpatched systems, weak credentials, user interaction like clicking a malicious link, or misconfigurations that create open doors. Stage 5 is persistence. Attackers ensure they can remain inside the network, surviving reboots and patches. Common techniques include registry modifications, scheduled tasks, backdoors and web shells, credential theft, and creating malicious services disguised as legitimate ones. Stage 5 continues with lateral movement and expansion. Once inside, attackers expand control, searching for high-value assets. This includes privilege escalation to gain admin access, credential dumping to extract passwords, lateral movement using stolen credentials, and internal reconnaissance to map the network. Attackers use built-in admin tools, making them hard to detect. Stage 6 is exfiltration, the attacker's endgame of stealing data and moving it outside the organization. Stolen data includes customer records, financial info, intellectual property, and cloud credentials. Modern exfiltration tactics involve encrypting data, slow transfers to avoid alerts, and using legitimate cloud services as exfil channels. The kill chain matters for blue teams because it maps defensive controls to each attack stage. The earlier you detect, the less damage occurs. Implement layered defenses, such as threat intelligence, email security, endpoint protection, SIEM alerts, and DLP, to stop attackers at any stage and prevent mission success. In summary, attacks are structured, and every stage is an opportunity for defense. Early detection reduces impact. Next, we will explore the MITRE ATT and CK framework, the industry standard for adversary behavior modeling.